Guess I should start recording this. I got quite a bit up there. It's only pennies, but holy crap, we're doing good on Fire Leak Feature Explosion. And I am in the bonus. I need 2 more to unlock the miner for $50 more. Got a bunch of good balls up there. On a 375 bet, got it. Got the miner for $50 more. Very, very nice. Got another miner at the top if I can get 3 more balls. Here we go. We're at the Luxor still. Got another. Oh, that's a 375 one. Holy shit, Pam. One more. I'm over $500. One more to spin. Come on, girl. That's okay. We'll take that. Oh my goodness. Here comes my honey. I got a 375 ball.
Woo-hoo! Baby! Yeah, baby! Woo-hoo! Yay! That's wonderful.
$572. That is good.
Okay, you're getting there. Good.
Okay, let's see the coin show. Big win. We got a big win, Pam.
You're betting 375?
Yep.
Well, let's get these monkeys going.
The monkeys actually came through big time. Coin show, that's beautiful. Little
Okay,
fireworks.
I'm gonna cash that out and
Look at that.
no shit.
Very nice.